Hey everyone, I just got my hands on this iPhone 12 Pro Max here. I'm going to do a really quick unboxing video on this, and I hope you guys like it, and let's get started. We all know that this year, Apple throws away all iPhone chargers for environment purpose. So this year's iPhone has a very light package. And this may be the cleanest package among all mobile phone companies this year. After we open the box, first we see the phone itself. It's a very big phone with 6.7-inch display. It will be the largest phone Apple ever made. It is actually bigger than last year's model, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 6.5-inch display, and this one has a 6.7-inch display. It actually don't feel as big as I thought. It feels great to hold it. After removing the phone, all we have left is the charging cable and the user menu. And inside the user menu, we can find some stickers. And this year we won't have one Apple sticker. Usually we'll have two as well. Last but not least, we still have the SIM card pin. After I get out the SIM card pin, everything in the box is on the table right now. So basically that is it for all the content in the box. Well, while we are at it, so let's just open the phone and actually activate that. So this year's iPhone Pro Max actually has some difference with the regular Pro series. Usually in previous year, the only difference between the Pro and the Pro Max would be the screen size and also the battery life. But this year is actually a little bit different, considering the iPhone Pro Max actually have a better camera system compared to the iPhone Pro series. To be specific, iPhone 12 Pro Max not only has better optical zoom, which is 5 times, iPhone 12 Pro only have 4 times, but also in terms of the wide-angle lens, iPhone 12 Pro Max also have larger aperture compared to the iPhone 12 Pro, which means when you use your wide-angle lens to take a shot of video in the night mode, iPhone 12 Pro Max can perform much better compared to the iPhone 12 Pro. So in this case, when someone don't like the format of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, they think it's too big, but they still want all the functionality of the phone, well, they have to choose, because iPhone 12 Pro do not have the same wide-angle lens compared with, the iPhone 12 Pro Max here. Finally, we finished our setup process for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's take a moment and compare the size between the iPhone 11, last year's model, which is 6.1 inch, and this year's iPhone 12 Pro Max. When you compare them side by side, the screen size difference isn't that of a big problem, I think. But the design is very different between last year's model and this year's model. Last year all have round-shaped design in the edge, but this year all have like flat edge. And in my opinion, last year's model actually holds more comfortable, but this year, well, it looks more modern this way. And also, let's look at the bottom of both phones. Well, we still have 2 speakers and the traditional lightning cable. Well, in my opinion, that Apple really should switch the iPhone to the USB-C ports, because all of the lineup actually has USB-C right now, the iPad, the Mac, and it is really benefits the user when all of the devices use the same charging cable, which is USB-C, instead of have only iPhone to have the lightning cable and others have USB-C. Well, that is it for my unboxing video, and thanks for watching, and I hope you like it.